Hi, and today we are going to look at the performance of the Patreon trading robots. So these are all available for MetaTrader 4, not MetaTrader 5 yet, I'm afraid, and they are Hamster, Enzo, Casper, and Scalp. And these are all available for immediate download as part of being a member of our Pro Tier Patreon site. I am running all these live. Hamster is quite new and is a high-risk system. Enzo, Casper, and Scalp are together within a trading portfolio, and I'll show you how you can see the results live if you want a closer look. So remember, if you are trading using trading robots, either these ones or any others, to ensure you get the best results and ensure that your funds are in the best of hands, always use a prime regulated broker and a top tier VPS provider. I've provided my recommended broker and VPS provider in the video description box below. So if you want to join our Pro Tier membership on Patreon, just visit the website below. That's www.patreon.com/Mr. Alan Forex, and you can download all these trading robots right away. I am planning to provide at least one new trading robot per month to Patreon Pro Tier members. Okay, so first up is Hamster. This is a trading robot that is high risk and high reward. Each trade has a relatively small take profit versus a large stop loss. This means you will get over 90% win rates, but the losses will be larger than the wins. This trading robot will not be suitable for everyone. We only just released this recently and the beta test looked great. Performance so far has been lackluster, but we'll keep going. Enzo is our trading robot which is trading the pound yen. This trading robot has been running in our portfolio since November 2020 and has returned 32% or 1,545 pips so far with a 7% drawdown. As this is within the Alan Forex portfolio, you need to click on the link in the purple, and using the Customize Analysis button, you can isolate this trading robot by the magic number. The magic number is 340143. Casper is a breakout trading robot for pound dollar and is also within the portfolio, and you can see this by selecting the magic number 31199. From October 2020 to December 2020, its performance wasn't great, but since the new year, it's found its legs and again moving upwards and onwards. Scalp is our trading robot for pound dollar also, and is a scalping trading robot. It returned 178% or 1,258 pips since October 2020. The Kiwi trading robot we have not yet released, but will be available this month. It has been in the portfolio since October 2020, and you can use the magic number 439112 to isolate it. It has returned 19% or 538 pips. And the combined portfolio also is here. It contains 4 of the trading robots we have looked at today: Enzo, Casper, Scalp, Kiwi, and there are others which we'll release over time. These trading robots all work best in the portfolio. If you want, you can copy this portfolio in its entirety by following the link mralanforex.com/copy-hour-trading. The account is currently at new highs and would be a great time to join. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.